In the most recent elections, only 36% of eligible voters went to the polls, the lowest turnout rate since World War II. One reason could be lack of confidence in the government. So we wanted to figure out, do state elections really matter? Our final dataset let us measure election results with the difference in votes between Democratic and Republican candidates, and whether the election resulted in a party switch. We then compared these effects to those of graduation rates, unemployment rates, and government spending. To get this data, we scraped and scraped and scraped from various websites. Then we did exploratory analysis of the distributions of our data with histograms and heated maps to compare the data relative to each state. We built a linear regression model to predict poverty and crime rates for 2015. The R-squared values were 0.94 and 0.89, showing that our models were actually pretty accurate. Looking at each input's p-values, our main results are that unemployment rates and graduation rates are significant for predicting both poverty and crime, while difference in party votes is only significant for predicting poverty. One explanation could be that elected officials more often prioritize poverty initiatives. Party switches and government spending are not particularly predictive of either poverty or crime. From our linear regression models, we predict decreases in crime in the red states and increases in the blue ones. We also verified with 3 classification models. We found that all three methods were less accurate than our linear regression. Interestingly, though, the classification models told us the same factors were considered important in our predictions. We also visualized these predictions for next year. Therefore, we can conclude that election results, while not the primary predictor of crime and poverty, are correlated with aspects of everyday life. State elections do matter.